Hi team, this is Ann Powers with Air Care Systems. It's so nice for you to join us today. I just wanted to talk with you pretty briefly about that nasty condensate drain problem. We've all been there, we've all experienced it. When does it happen? When you're gone and your floors are flooded. It happens at night at the most inconvenient time when you're trying to rest. You've had a hard day at work or just a hard day in general, and the last thing you want to deal with is your clogged drain, water on the floor. And if you were blessed enough to have a float switch that didn't work, now you've got a system that's damaging your home. Most folks do, however, have float switches installed on their system. That float switch is directly connected to the condensate drain, and its intended purpose is to shut the system down so that you don't have to deal with the nasty water leaks. The problem is it shuts the system down, and then once your system's down, until you or a trained technician comes out to clear your drain for you, you no longer have air cooling and keeping you comfortable in your home. So I'm here to talk to you today just very briefly about what you can do as a homeowner to remedy some of these solutions. Well, I can't tell you that we can prevent condensate clog backups. I can tell you there is help out there if you don't want to pay for a service call. We would suggest that you routinely have maintenance done on your system. That would be once a year or twice a year system maintenance, and in some cases even quarterly if you have high traffic, fluffy pets, or you're a business that does, say for instance, veterinary work or beauty or barber shops. It would not be uncommon for you as a homeowner, and we strongly recommend that you go outside at least once a month when you're doing your usual outdoor chores and clean out that condensate line. It truly is a simple task. You would get a water hose, turn it on to a slow to medium strength, and you would search and look for where the condensate tube, which typically is either a white PVC or it would be a black polybutylene pipe. You would find where that terminates your home. You would see an area underneath that pipe where it's already been damp in some cases. If it's been clogged for a long time, it might not be damp and it'll be dry. You want to find that terminated area, stick your water hose up to where the tube itself actually exits the home, and clamp your hand around that tube so that you form somewhat of a seal. You want to hold it there until the count of 5. Please, please, please don't hold it any longer. If you do, the water will back up into your inside unit and cause more water damage. You want to do that to the count of 5, release. Do that several times. On that release, you should see a bunch of what we technically like to call snot. It's just backed up algae, bacteria, things that like to grow in the moist, dark places of the condensate pipe. That will flush that out. Now, those that have more problems than that, again, we need to address maintenance. We need to address cleaner air, more comfortable air, proper filtration with the system. That would probably get you running for the night. Don't let that think that that's the end. If you've had a problem with a blocked condensate drain, then that means you do at some point need to have a NATE certified technician come to your home and visit you and see what's going on with your system. They may actually recommend that once the system and the drain line's clean, that we insert a product called New Line. New Line is a very good product made by Rector Seal. It is like the Teflon coating on your pots and pans. It is designed to help not only break free the sludge and the slime and the snot, as we call it, but it is also made to coat the inside diameter of that pipe so that as things go through, they don't have the propensity to stick. It's not costly to have. It should be reapplied every 3 to 4 months. It is something that once you buy the bottle, you can reapply yourself. But we do strongly recommend the product. And hope that you come and check it out. You certainly can call the office. If you have any questions, you can go onto our website, which we have shown here. We have complete instructions on how to clear your own drain line. I would strongly suggest that you bookmark it on your computers so that it is the middle of the night. It's 2 a.m. You're having problems. You want to get your unit up quickly, and perhaps we can't get out to you as quickly as you'd prefer. You can go straight to it, handle the problem yourself until you can get somebody out for trained maintenance on your equipment the next service day. I thank you for your time. I thank you for your loyalty. I thank you for your years of dedication to our company, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Again, this is Ann Powers with Air Care Systems. Take care, and thank you for letting us make you smile.